Hey, this is Artella. If you're looking on how to reset the resource world and you don't want to do it in game or you don't have the capabilities to do it in game, I'm going to show you how to do it fairly quickly. In this case, I'm using MCSM Manager, and this is for having access to console, terminal access, everything else. We're not using Windows, we're using a Linux-based server, so please be aware that when I run through the commands here, that everything is going to be Linux-based, not Windows-based. Now, before I begin, I do want to go over a couple of things in regards to file structure. So if I go back to MCS Manager and go into the home page, I'm going to notice that we are going to have the home page here. We're going to have the instances here. And what we're going to do is look at Medieval Vanilla here. So in this case, file management is going to show me all the plugins and all the items inside this folder. This doesn't tell me anything about the directory location, so we're not going to use this. I want to show on what will not be used. Instead, we're going to have to go into the daemon itself. So the daemon is going to be the actual host. You're going to go to File Management, and from File Management, you're going to find Minecraft. For us, it's Minecraft again, and in this case, it's Medieval Vanilla. So now that I'm here, what I can do is I can go down to here to find my worlds, and I want to come back up here as well to see what the location of the folder is. Now, once you have those things, what you're going to do is you're going to go back down to the terminal. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to click this button here, go to terminal. In the case that you're using command prompt, you're going to go SSH, you're going to log into your user account, and you're going to run through these commands. If you have FileZilla, you can run through FileZilla, just delete the resource world like that. You just select the world. If I was going to go to resource, and I would just delete this here. So I just delete this folder. Now, the reason I don't do that is because things like FileZilla, MCS Manager, other things take a while to sift through, delete the files. Going through console directly is going to be your best way to go. So what we'll do is we're not going to go it like this. It's going to take forever. It may glitch out. And I don't have the patience to be sitting there all day. So what I'll do instead is I'll go back to terminal. I'm type in cd slash, I'm going to type in the directory. So Minecraft/Minecraft/medieval-vanilla. And when I do that, in this case, it might not show it on my console here, but it will show me to the directory, which is Minecraft medieval-vanilla. Now that I'm in the directory, what I can do is I can run rm-r, so it's going to remove, and it will remove either files or subdirectories, and then you're going to type in the name of the file that you're going to remove. In this case, if I want to remove resource_world, I'm going to type in rm-r resource world, and I would click enter, and it should delete the world. And that's really all there is to it. If you get issues, you're either not typing in the directory correctly, your console is either not connected properly because you're not logged in. There could be a whole bunch of different Linux or issues that you might have on MCS Manager that are not related to this, but this is all you'd have to do in order to do it directly. Again, you're going to want to make sure to do this if you want to go through it the fastest route, and you will not see the resource world reset right away. It'll delete the files, you're good to go, but in order to refresh the world, you're going to have to restart the server. So however you restart the server, whether it's through the manager here, you're going to go instances, you're going to go to your instance, you're going to click restart, or stop and then start again. Or if you're without that, you want to do it in game, run/stop. As long as you have a start file that restarts the server, once the server stopped, you'll be fine there. If you're running it through another method, use your other method. That's completely fine. If you have any issues, please let me know, and I'll see what I can do to respond.